name is Katie St. Norris with St. Norris Wealth Management, and in this short video we're going to talk about new SBA portal where you can apply for a PPP loan forgiveness. Let's get going. In order to find this new SBA portal, you can go to search engine and type Direct Forgiveness SBA. Starting this week, you will be able to go to this website, register, create an account, and apply for your PPP loan forgiveness directly through SBA instead of going through your lender. The SBA created this forgiveness portal in order to process PPP forgiveness applications more quickly. They have customer service phone number at the bottom, if you'll see at this page here, and they will be ready to answer any of your questions. About 600 different banks of different size opted in for this program with the SBA. This way it will be much quicker, easier, and efficient. As of right now, you can go to resources right here at the bottom. They have full user guide on how to set up the account and how to complete the application itself. The application from beginning to the end should take you only 10 minutes. This will be available for PPP borrowers that received loans of $150,000 or below. According to the SBA, almost 93% of all PPP loans issued actually loans under the specific amount of $150,000 or less. You will receive an email inviting you to register and use the portal. It will make your life easier and you can apply for your PPP loan forgiveness. Thank you for watching. Bye.